Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we're making one of my favorite spring recipes. We are making spring rolls. We're going to make a yummy sauce to go with it, and then we're going to learn how to roll your own spring roll. So first ingredient, a 1/3 cup of water into your blender base. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 2 tablespoons of coconut aminos, and this is the same thing as soy sauce. It's just a soy-free and gluten-free option. We're adding 2 tablespoons of maple, 2 garlic cloves, 1 inch of fresh ginger root, and last but not least, a 1/3 cup of sunflower seed butter. This you can sub for tahini, you can use peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter, any of them will work. This just happens to be what I have on hand today. And then we will blend this to make our sauce. So this sauce is pretty thin right now. The longer it sits, and especially as you refrigerate it, it will thicken up. So it's totally okay if it looks a little bit runny to start. Okay, so now that our sauce is done, I'm going to use rice paper, going to dip it in hot water just until it's soft. So you don't want it to be too mushy, you just want it to be a little bit flimsy so that you can roll it. But just remember, you want it to still have some texture to it so it doesn't get mushy. I'm going to add a few cucumber sticks, a few pieces of fresh red bell pepper, fresh sliced carrot, a few pieces of red cabbage. You can add avocado to this, you could add rice noodles, bean sprouts, anything like that. I'm going to do some fresh basil and some fresh cilantro. I know not everybody loves cilantro, but I am one of the people who does. And then I'm just going to roll this like a burrito. So I'm going to pull it towards me, roll it over, fold in the edges, and keep on rolling. There I have my first spring roll. So once you have one spring roll done, you can keep making as many as you'd like. I love making it a hands-on family approach. So let everybody roll their own spring rolls. You're gonna dip it in your sauce and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is one of my favorite ways to get raw veggies in your system without just eating a salad. So be sure to comment below, let us know what you think, subscribe, and I will see you next time.